Hello, and thank you for your kind invitation. As member of the Greek Parliament since 2007 and as former Minister of Tourism, it is my pleasure to virtually participate in today's Philo for Thought annual Spring Symposium. I would like to congratulate the founders as well as all active participants of the Hellenic Mentoring Initiative, for it is a foundation established to provide career empowerment for young professionals in order for them to achieve the next level of success in work and in life. The Hellenic Mentoring Initiative's multifaceted actions, such as collaborative publications, advisory workshops, and networking opportunities, represent an ideal example of the civil society's collective initiatives on actual challenges. At the same time, the Hellenic Mentoring Initiative is an excellent example of the ways in which Greek culture and spirit could contribute to society and economic progress. As a multitasking educational basis of teaching in combination with an open-door policy towards an inclusive and high-quality community service for all those in need. Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, over this past year, the whole world is living under unprecedented conditions due to the pandemic. Inevitably, the effects of this health crisis have caused an intense universal dialogue focusing on the global society's recovery from the pandemic, as well as on the growth of the world economy after the crisis. The main topics of discussion in this global dialogue focus on social progress and resilience. In order to achieve sustainable development and resilient societies, we should take into consideration a fundamental common denominator. Diversity and inclusion must be foundational values in our societies. In reference to inequalities, we should take into consideration that worldwide, those who have suffered the most throughout the pandemic were women and girls. Women entrepreneurs were also affected by the pandemic, as many had to close down their small or medium-sized enterprises. Furthermore, women in general are more likely to lose their jobs and face economic insecurity. At the same time, women are caretakers and also manage their household. Not to mention that, unfortunately, domestic violence against women and girls has risen due to lockdowns. One of the most important key factors to build back our world and reach out to the new normal is through the empowerment of women leaders in all fields. A sustainable, inclusive recovery for our societies should include women in key positions in all fields of society, politics, and the economy. This is actually the main goal of the Women Political Leaders Organization, a global organization aiming to support and strengthen female political leadership, in which I participate as the ambassador of the Greek Parliament. At the same time, in order to further promote gender equality issues, I founded, in collaboration with specialized academics, the Center for Gender and Equality Policy Studies under the European Public Law Organization. Our vision is to promote knowledge and reflection on major issues of gender and equality, both separately as well as in their complex and multi-level interactions. Ladies and gentlemen, I strongly believe that female leadership should be further encouraged. Female leaders combine special characteristics such as that they are people-oriented, they are sociable, expressive, and establish close relationships, strengthening the possibility of achieving commitments. They are more inclined to cooperate, making teamwork more active by including more people. They are capable of operating and thinking in different directions at the same time. Female leadership is inclusive, encourages participation, and shares information and power with those they lead. Women generally take more into consideration the human side of individuals and generate high levels of empathy. Furthermore, as a woman parliamentarian, I have to stress the need of enhancing women participation in politics, and especially young women. We are still underrepresented in political decision-making around the world. More women in political decision-making means, first of all, more equality. Equal representation lies at the very core of our democracy. Secondly, more prosperity and stability. Having more female decision makers is good for everyone, not just for women. Research shows that society as a whole becomes more secure and economically prosperous as gender equality improves. And thirdly, better policy. Some argue that women bring different qualities, values, and priorities to the political arena, and thereby make policy-making processes more holistic and effective. In Greece, women's parliamentary representation is still low. Gender stereotypes of leaders are the main reason for this situation. Gender stereotypes are pervasive and have an impact on all aspects of women's and men's behavior, in the economy, in politics, and also in education and employment. For example, women still make up a very small percentage of the technology sector. That is why Philo for Thought is an exceptional initiative. We need strong networks and alternative and progressive educational methods in order to tackle stereotypes and work towards a more inclusive and prosperous society. One of the women in leading positions that served the community and gave an excellent example in this society is Professor Chris Salboudis, CEO and founder of the Philo for Thought initiative. I hope that soon we will be able to travel again and have the opportunity to meet in person. I would also like to express my respect for Mrs. Paulette Poulos. It is widely known that she is a remarkable woman, an outstanding person and philanthropist who supports people in need. Her lifetime achievements are really remarkable, and I would like to congratulate her for today's honors. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to congratulate Philo for Thought on its inspired action. As a Greek woman parliamentarian, I would like to reconfirm my engagement to support your great social mission. I wish you every success in today's event and hope to see you soon. Thank you.